So what I'm going to do now is look at the settings. Why we've got this figure 64 and why we've got this figure 62, how that's built up. So we go into settings. At the moment these settings here are all stored in a recipe system. So for example, the customer's got maybe 20 bottle sizes, different products, maybe hair conditioner as we were running, water, 60 ml, 100 ml, 500 ml. There's many combinations. Once the handling has been set up, then it's very easy to recall these. So what we have is a product menu or a recipe which allows us to load. So at the moment we're going to save this. I'm going to save it, give it a recipe name. I'm going to call it test 1. Move the screen down because you can't see it. Grab that little square there. In fact, press delete. Get rid of that. Delete. We'll call it what it's supposed to be called. So that's where we're at. We'll call that a 500 ml fill, and then we'll move that up. We can save that, and that's saved. To load that again, we have to press load, and then load. So those parameters are loaded into the system.